You might be familiar with these moments when you twist the wrong way and you feel a pinch in your back, or you wake up and you need a few minutes just to straighten up. Or how about not being able to reach for the top shelf because your shoulder hurts, or getting out of the car and feeling your hips argue with you. Pain and stiffness tend to creep in and wear you down. You're moving slower, feeling tighter, and less confident in your own body. And the things you used to enjoy, they feel harder now. This isn't just getting older. It's what happens when your body accumulates tension, stiffness, and the aftershocks of old injuries. This can affect your posture, the health and longevity of your joints, and become a significant source of mental and emotional stress. This isn't how you used to move, and it doesn't have to be this way. And it's not how you want to live. And maybe you've tried other types of massage, other standard interventions like stretching, heat, and ice, and gadgets that promised relief. And maybe it helped for a day, but it didn't last. What you're dealing with isn't just tight muscles, it's layers of physical compensation, years of tension, guarded movement, and old injuries your body never really forgot. I'm Angelo, and I've been practicing advanced restorative bodywork since 1996. For nearly 3 decades, I've helped professionals, athletes, and high performers in Silicon Valley reclaim ease in their bodies quickly and reliably. The work we'll do together is not conventional massage. It's targeted, clinical-grade bodywork that finds what's restricted, what's overcompensating, and what's quietly pulling everything out of sync. And most likely things that you might not even be aware about. And we find it, we optimize it without forcing anything and without wasting time. Other therapists might spend 30 to 40 minutes hammering one spot. I can calm the same area in seconds, because when you understand how the body actually works, you don't need to fight it. You just need to guide it back into balance. The trap that most people get into is chasing the symptoms. The real resolution is about restoring how your body is meant to function so you can move, sleep, and live without being reminded of what hurts. And if you're thinking, maybe I can live with this a little longer, here's what you need to know. What you don't address now becomes harder to fix later. These compensations compound over time. Your joints can wear out faster. Flexibility and the ability to move independently quickly narrows. The longer you wait, the more you trade comfort for compromise. But when you address these restrictions and compensations now, the payoff is huge. You move with confidence again, on the golf course, in the garden, or just getting through the day. You sleep deeper because your body isn't holding tension. And you show up with more energy because you aren't spending it all on being in pain. You also stop wondering, what happened to the way I used to feel? After just one session, a lot of my clients say things like, I got out of bed without that usual groan, or I reached for something without even thinking about it. These aren't miracles, they're what your body's been waiting for. If you've noticed any of these signals, this is your moment to do your body a lot of good, most especially for your future well-being. Book a session today. It's time to restore ease, realign movement, and give yourself back the freedom your body wants.